Hey guys, so I've decided to post a video after not posting one for so long. This one here is an interesting one as I've always used Blackberry for my primary work phone, but unfortunately the Key 2, as much as I would love it for it to be amazing, it's just been kind of lackluster on various things, which is the battery's kind of diminished, camera's kind of like fallen off a bit. I've been having to use my iPhone for like certain things for work, and it's just become a bit of a headache and a hindrance to me productivity wise. So when the Note 10 came out and I saw all this information on it, I was like, okay, this is going to be the phone I'm going to have to replace the Blackberry finally. It's going to be sad seeing this guy go, but it's done its job till now. I'm going to keep that to the side just so we can have a comparison on it. And I ordered this as a pre-order, but for some reason they gave it to me like what day is it today? Now is the 19th. They've delivered it 5 days in advance, so I'm not sure why, but that's good for me. Anyway, so as what came with the box, quick unboxing for you guys just so you guys can see what you can get. I mean, in Dubai this was ordered as a pre-order, so they gave me these Samsung Galaxy Buds for free. So that's going to be something new for me since I've been using the AirPods. I can have a quick look and then maybe compare and decide which one I would rather go for, but free AirBuds, pretty good deal, I think. This is obviously the Note 10 Plus, which is I ordered in the Aura Glow, if that's the exact name of it. And as well, I got the clear view cover, which was something new and different, and I thought it would go well with the Note 10 Plus. So we'll kind of open through all of these quickly, and maybe I'll make another video of the actual functionality of the phones. I'm not sure what this is. This is probably like some warranty information stuff. So that was pretty much it, all in the box, I think, and they've got thank you written at the bottom if you can see that. So okay, let's kind of put this to the side so we can kind of look through what we actually got. Now, one thing about the Note 10 is it is a bigger size I'm not used to, so let's kind of just quickly go through the specs which you can find of the one I got. This is the 256GB one, as you can see over there. You're looking at 12 megapixel front facing, a 16 megapixel ultra wide, a 12 megapixel f2.1 depth vision camera. So I mean, like, you're looking at a very high level sophisticated camera compared to what I was using here with the Blackberry. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I mean, you can find a lot of these things online anyway. You've got 12 gigs of RAM. Wow, I thought I ordered the 8 gig. Interesting. Is this actually 12? Wow. All right. Okay, so 256GB memory with 12 gigs of RAM. Okay, I need to double check that because I thought I ordered 8GB anyway. You've got earphones here, fast charging. I mean, one thing I'm definitely gonna have to get is the charging pad, which I will need to get later on. But yeah, this is the phone itself. As you can see, it's a bloody beast. Over here, it's just full screen. Let's just have a quick look and see what's inside here. You've got obviously the SIM extractor tool there. Does this even open? Let's see. Can you fail opening? Oh, you've got a... Oh, interesting. They've given us a free see-through case. That's interesting. I didn't expect that. First time I've ever seen Samsung give a case for free in their box. That's a nice little touch there in case I don't like the Clearview case, I guess. But basically the deal I got in Dubai, which I'm not sure if is the same worldwide, but it was the phone plus a 2-year extended free warranty, which is pretty nice. The free buds and also 50% off on the case. So I thought might as well just get the case since getting a good offer on that. So anyway, that's the Clearview case there. Quick start guide. Just standard stuff, I guess, just like standard paper stuff. Anyway, so let's have a quick look at the phone. I'm sure a lot of people have seen these already, but I thought I'd just make a nice quick video on how this looks. Let me just wipe this up. It's a #1 fingerprint magnet, unfortunately, which is why you definitely need to have a case with this thing. Aura Glow, and it's quite possibly one of the weirdest colors you can get, and I thought I would just get it just for the sake of it, of being different. There was a blue one which was not available for order, which is a bit weird, but I think that might be a retail exclusive version or something like that, so I just thought I'd go with the Aura Glow. As you can see here, you have 3 cameras here, and I believe there's a 4th camera here, so it's a 4-camera setup on the back, and I've already tried it, and it's literally probably one of the best cameras I've used to date. In terms of comparison, I find the Note 10 definitely a lot better than the iPhone X in terms of quality for the camera. I'm using a fingerprint built into the phone in order to log in, which is amazing. I just hate the idea of using a face to log in. It's a bit, I just feel it takes up more effort just to do that. Yeah, that's basically the screen quality. It's amazing. I think it's just a full screen-to-screen body ratio, and as you can see, the number one thing about this is the nice S Pen, as you can see here. And I haven't actually used much of the features yet. I just literally just opened it up. So as you can see, there's a click here, which is very satisfying. I'm just not sure what it does yet, and I believe that there is a lot of gesture related things. I mean, if you press this, I think something is meant to pop up here, and you get various different options here. It's very nice, by the way, to use the pen. I think the end nib is very soft. It has a nice feeling when you're kind of going through the phone if you're drawing or making notes, and that's the main thing I realized about this phone is the productivity you get out of this is 100 times better than what I was receiving out of the Blackberry. I mean, obviously I'm losing the keypad. That was the number one benefit of the Blackberry, but just everything else was just useless. So it's a bit of a shame Blackberry hasn't really stepped up, but in terms of a business related phone, I believe that this is a great phone for anyone who's interested in kind of upgrading towards this. One of the cool things also I find is the hole punch in the center. It's a nice symmetrical look to the phone. I kind of like it. I mean, a lot of people have kind of complained saying they preferred it to the side, but it's a cool touch to it, and it's more symmetrical. It looks more futuristic. I'm very happy with it. I mean, the screensaver is also very crazy as well. So I mean, the quality of the screen is just ridiculously nice. I mean, just doing basic things like this, I can already see that there's a huge quality increase in terms of the screen. The screen is a Quad HD Plus dynamic OLED, so I mean, you're getting a better version of the screen quality in the 10 Plus over the 10. So I just don't see any benefit of the 10 over the 10 Plus apart from size. I mean, everything else is just a downgrade. So it's a bit of a weird move by Samsung to do that. I think they should have just stuck with one and have it as their flagship. That's Samsung doing something crazy as usual. Anyway, so that's the phone itself. Let's kind of have a quick look at what else was involved in the box. We've got a super fast charger. So that's, I believe it's like 30 minutes to like halfway. It could be quicker now. That's something for me to check out. Now onto the cable. Obviously a standard USB Type-C to C cable here, obviously for charging. And this is interesting as well. These are AKG earphones wired, and I'm assuming USB Type-C as it is. These are nice. These are high quality looking earphones, definitely better than what I find in the iPhone ones. As I still do love iPhone. I mean, I probably sound like I'm favoring Samsung here, but it'll be interesting to see what happens with the iPhone 11 when that comes out. I'm probably gonna get that and replace my X, but yeah, these are nice AKG earphones that have come in. But I mean, I've obviously got the nice kind of Bluetooth Galaxy Buds here, which I will be using. These will just be, I guess, for when I do need a wired version of headphones. So that's there, and obviously you have a extra pair of buds for depending on your ear size, and that's, I think, pretty much it in terms of the various quick unboxing I've gone through. Oh yeah, let's have a look at the Clearview cover. And now, the reason I got this case was, firstly, you're gonna get crazy fingerprints on the back of the phone, so I just don't like that part of it. I like it that it's there and it looks really cool, but I definitely want something to cover that up, and also to cover it for scratches. Let's open this up now, and yeah, that's basically the case. It's a very simple case. It's just a simple boom, and that's in. And now the cool thing with this case is it's very slim. I'm not noticing any kind of major increase in kind of thickness. It's a very slim phone still with it there. I mean, one of the weird things here I find is that there is no magnetic kind of clasp for the case itself. It's just kind of like flapping around, but I guess most of the time, the phone's going to be on your desk, going to be working. You've got your notifications there, and you've got like various other notifications that you've got here, music, and I guess emails and texts and everything will be coming up on the side here, so you can have like quick access to them directly from this kind of side view case. And it looks quite nice as well. It's quite elegant. The material is nice as well. This is a blue color material, a little bit kind of shiny, I guess. It's interesting. And another disadvantage here is that obviously the clear view part of the case is going to get a lot of fingerprints on it, so that's just a very small negative to it. But apart from that, you know, it's just really nice phone, really nice case. Very happy with it. It's going to be interesting to kind of go through all the different things that are there on the phone. In terms of a recommendation, I mean, I can't really give a recommendation without going through the phone itself, but I have used Samsung phones in the past, and especially the Note series. I used to have a Note 4, but you know, just this phone itself is just amazing. The screen quality, the camera, you know, just the security benefits you've got here with like different various options of fingerprint, Face ID. Being the larger size, the battery life is better than the Note 10 as well. I think this is a 4,300 milliamp. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, if you guys want me to kind of go in a little bit more depth once I learn a little bit more about the phone, that can be done as well. Guys, so this has just been a quick little unboxing, nothing really structured here. This is just me just excited to kind of show off the phone, and I'm happy that I got it earlier, obviously. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. See you next time. Cheers.